Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the first question of exercise 11.3. So we have to evaluate the five questions here. So to do this kind of questions, we need to know a few simple formulas like, for example, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Then cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. And then we have tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Then we have cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. And lastly, we have secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant 9 cosecant theta. And then cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So using these six formulas, we are going to evaluate the five problems. So let's see the first one. We have tan 36 by cot 54. Let's write it down. Tan 36 by cot 54. We know that we can write 54 as 90 minus 36. So we'll write it as tan 36 by cot 90 minus 36. And we know cot 90 minus theta equal tan theta. So therefore cot 90 minus 36 equal to tan 36. So the answer will be tan 36 by tan 36. The numerator and denominator will get cancelled and the answer we got it as 1. Next, second question, we have cos 12 minus sin 78. So let's write it down. Cos 12 minus sin 78. Am I right? Sin 78. Okay. So cos 12, or let's write sin as, so let's write cos as it is, and sin 78 can be written as sin 90 minus 12. So this will be sin 90 minus 12, and we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore cos 12 minus this would be cos 12, and cos 12 minus cos 12 would be 0. Next is let's see the third one. We have cosecant 31 minus secant 59. So as a problem above, like second question, we let cosecant 31 as it is, and 59 can be written as 90 minus 31. So let's write as secant 90 minus 31, and secant 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta. So therefore cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31 would be equal to 0. Next, let's see the fourth question. We have sin 15 into secant 75. Sin 15 into secant 75. So let's write 75 as 90 minus 15. So this would be sin 15 into secant 90 minus 15. So secant 90 minus 15 is cosecant 15. So let's substitute it. Sin 15 into cosecant 15, and we know that sine and cosecant are reciprocals. So therefore cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. So this would be sin 15 into 1 by sine 15, and numerator and denominator will get cancelled and the answer is 1. Next, last one, fifth one, we have tan 26 into tan 64. Okay, so finally tan 26 into tan 64. Let's write the second tan as, so 64 as 90 minus 26. So this would be tan 26 into tan 90 minus 26. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So this would be tan 26 into cot 26. And we know that cot and tan are reciprocals to each other. That is cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So this would be tan 26 into 1 by tan 26. The numerator and denominator will get cancelled and the answer we get is 1. So first question exercise 11.3 we got the answers as first one we got 1, second one we got 0, third one we also got as 0, fourth one we got 1, fifth one also we got as 1. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more solutions. Thank you.